What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some crown content. That's right, crown content that you all love, because I know all of you out there love the crown much more than the Supra. It is very obvious by the amount of views that I get. So a little while ago I did a video on removing your tail lights, and I was amazed at how well it did. It was only a short, informative video. So I'm gonna do a bunch of those on the crown, on the Supra, things like that, because you guys seem to love them. I gained 25 subscribers from that one video, which was incredible. On that note, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. I'll love you forever for it. If you like, subscribe, and comment, you're an absolute champion. So we're gonna jump in, and I'm actually gonna pull the headlights out of the crown today. I've had a request from someone to show how to do that. I know some cars are very involved. This one looks quite simple. So let's jump on in and I'll show you exactly how to pull out your headlights. Alright, boys and girls, so if you've seen my taking the bumper off video, then you will know that there is a bolt around here that you need to take out for the headlights. Now, once you've done that, you need to come through. You will also be given access to this bolt down here. Obviously you can access it here as well, but when the bumper's off, even a little bit easier. Then you need to remove this plastic trim on the edge, and obviously this one for this side. So I'm just going to quickly jump in and do that. They're just the little push pin clips, and then you pull them off. So give me 2 secs. Then once you've got those off, please excuse my engine strut. Mine have failed and I'm getting new ones. So once you've got those off, obviously these are going to come off with the removal of the bumper. Take this bad boy off and this bad boy off. Now, keep in mind, don't just tug on it then, because this little clip you need to just lift up out of there, and then your headlight should come nice and loose. Now, I have had a few people ask me, how do I pull out these lights down here? Because you can't get to them from the back. So there's a little sneaky access hole here. There's normally a piece of plastic here and here, which obviously mine were removed when I got the front end fixed. I've just got to pop them back in with some plastic clips, but you can put your hand down here under the headlight, and then that's how you access them, okay? So you can get down there. It's very fiddly. If you want an easy job, pull your front bumper off, but then essentially you've got to pull the bumper off to get to 2 lights, but there's your 2 options. Get in there and squeeze your arm in there if you can. If you can't, yeah, bumper off. So guys, as always, I hope that was really helpful for any of you that need to pull out your headlights for whatever reason, or change your globes. The other globes, obviously, you just reach behind the headlight and you access them that way. So if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe, and stick around for the next video, because there's gonna be some more content on the crown coming out after this one, and I cannot wait to show you. All right guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.